Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear friends. How are you all? How was your long weekend? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself, and your weekend was superb just because of you did a very good job in maths test. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Barrier Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our lecture number 15 of C1. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for Taus and Tasmiyah. Then we will read Dua for learning. You can see on your screen now. That is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. My Lord, my Allah, increase me in knowledge. Ameen. As you know, we have done another dua for traveling and some question answers about our religion, Islam, in our last lecture. But now we are going to learn about a new surah, that is Surah Falak. What is the name of new surah? Surah Falak. We will learn about it from today. So everyone please sit straight, fold your arms and your eyes should be on a screen now. Listen me very carefully or you can repeat after me. Surah Falak. Kul auzu bi rabbil falak. Kul auzu bi rabbil falak. Min sharri ma khalaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Wa min sharri ghasikin iza waqab. Wa min sharri ghasikin iza waqab. Wa min sharrin nafa Sati fil uqad. Wa min sharrin nafa Sati fil uqad. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasad. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasad. You have to learn it on daily basis. You have to memorize it on daily basis. Come on, next. What you need for today's lecture? Look at your screen. Your maths workbook C1, one pencil and eraser, and some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you so we can start our lesson. Everyone open page number 3939 on C1 maths workbook. Page number 39, open it, and what are the objectives? Number 1 is subtract using a number line. As you know, and I hope you didn't forget it, what we are doing in this unit, we are using a number line for subtraction. Second is relate counting backwards to subtraction. Yes, we are doing backwards counting as well for subtraction. Here is page number 39. Everyone open it. 3939. Take your pencil. What you have to do on this page? Top of the page you will write your date, and what is the date today? Look at your screen. 23rd 23.9.2020 space h.t again space, and what is the day today? Wednesday. You will write here top of the page. My arrow is telling you here you will write your date, then come down. Two numbers are missing in a number line. You have to complete them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What comes after 18? 1, 9, 19. And then what comes after 19? 2, 0, 20. You will write here 19 and 20. Then here is activity 5.7, beehives. This is about beehives. Use the number line to help you match the correct answers. One example is done. Look at this. Here is a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers are written on a number line. And here is a beehives and some numbers are written here. This is the sign of subtraction, minus. We always use this sign in subtraction. So we have to cross the numbers in subtraction. What we have to do? They are saying use the number line to help you match the correct answers. Now here is 9 minus 1. How you will get your answer? Yes, you can take help from number line. So here is 9 minus 1. You have to move back 1 number from 9. Put your pencil on 9. Find out the number 9 on a number line. Then here is number 9. Put your pencil here. And you have to move back 1 step back. Why you are going to 1 step back? Why not more than 1? Yes, because here is written 1. You have to minus 1 number from 9. So you will move just 1 step back from 9. So if we go back from 9, 1 step back from 9, then we got number. Which number is this? Number 8. Excellent. Now you have to find number 8 here in beehives. Yes, in the last. Number 8 is here. So you are going to match this beehive from the first one to the first one. 9 minus 1 is equal to number 8. Then come on, 7 minus 2. Number 2 is here. 7 minus 2. So you are going to put your pencil here, number 7. Put your pencil on number 7. So you are going to move 2 steps back from 7. 1, then 2. You can make your arrows with different colors. So it will be easy for you. You will not get confused. So put your pencil on number 7 and you have to move 2 steps back because here is 7 minus 2. You have to minus 2 numbers from 7. So 1 step, make arrows. 1, 2. If you move 2 steps back, which number did you get? Number 5. So find out where is number 5. Here is 4, 3, 1 and here is number 5. So match number 5 with 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Come on number 3. 8 minus 5. Now you have to minus 5 numbers from 8. So find out where is number 8 on number line. Here is number 8. Put your pencil on number 8 and make arrows. You have to move back 5 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We move 5 steps back. Then which number we get? We got number 3. So answer is 3. Find out beehive with number 3. Here is number 4 and then second one. This one. Beehive number 3 from 8 minus 5 is equal to number 3. Then 5 minus 4. Next one is 5 minus 4. You have to minus 4 numbers from 5. So put your pencil on number 5 on a number line. Here is number 5. Put your pencil here and make arrows. I told you you can use different colors. so it will be easy for you. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I think I'm going wrong. Let's do it again. Put your pencil on number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I got number 1. If you minus 4 numbers from 5, then you will get just 1 number. So find out the beehive with number 1. Here is number third one is, there is written number 1. So match it with 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And the last one is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. You have to minus 2 numbers from 6. So find out number 6. Number 6 is here. Put your pencil here, your color here. And you have to move 2 steps back. 1, 2. We moved 2 steps back, then we got number 4. Your answer is number 4. Find out the beehive with number 4. And the first one is your answer. You can match it with the last one. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. You have to match the dots. Or you can do this page with more examples on a rough page. Make number line and use different numbers, so you can do practice. For more practice you can do it. Come on to the next page, page number 4040. Everyone open this page. Just turn your page and write your date. The same date you will write on top of the page, 23.9.2020 2020 space h.t, again space, and the day is Wednesday. You will write in the right corner where my arrow is telling you, here top of the page. And now what you have to do after writing date, can you see? You have to complete the number line by yourself now. All numbers are missing here. You can see. You will write by yourself. You will start from number 11. Which one number? 11. You will write here number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. 11 till 20 you will write here. Then come down 5.8 activity, and this activity is about mother hen and her eggs. Use the number line to help you filling the blanks. Again we are using number line for subtraction, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number line we will use while doing subtraction. And here are the questions, filling the blanks. How many eggs are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs are here. And now what we have to do? The first one is 6 is dash. Here is a blank. You have to complete it. More than 4. 6 is dash more than 4. Now what we have to do here on this page? We have question and answers, but we have to find the correct number. How many numbers we moved back? You have to find them. The first one is 6 is dash. You will write here the moved numbers. How many numbers you moved back from 6 to get 4. Let's do it. The first one is, now look at the number line. Put a pencil on number 6. Everyone put a pencil on number 6. And we are going back from 6 to 4. 1, 2. Can you see? If we move back from 6, 1 and 2, then we got number 4. This number or this number are same? Yes, both numbers are 4. So we got our answer number 4. And how many steps we move back? 1, 2. This is your answer. You have to find the moved numbers. So you will write here 2. 6 is 2 more than 4. Or if we go back from, go forward from 4. Number 4, let's suppose if we go forward 1, 2, then we got number 6. 2 steps we go forward and then we got number 6. Here is 6. So 6 is 2 more than 4. This is the first example. For you, you have to do, again you can use different colors. The next one is 4 is dash more than 2. Now put a pencil on number 4. Here is number 4. And they are saying 4 is dash more than 2. We have to move till 2. So again make arrows. 1, 2. If we move back 2 steps back, then we got number 2, which is already written here. So count the steps which you moved back. 1, 2. So you will write here 2 again. 4 is 2 more than 2. Come on the third one. 9 is dash more than 5. So we will move from 9 till 5. Moving backward, you need to count the steps. How many steps you are moving back? That will be your answer. Here is number 9. You can see. And we have to go till number 5. When we reached on number 5, you have to count the steps as well. Like 1, keep making arrows, okay, with different colors. 2, 3, 4. We moved 4 steps back, then we got number 5. Our answer that is already written here. Both numbers are same, so we have to stop here. Let's count the steps we moved back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is 4. Right here 4. 9 is 4 more than 5. The next one is 8 is dash more than 3. Now here is number 8 and we have to go till 3. While going, you have to count the steps as well, like me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps back, then we got the same answer, number 3. So you will write here number 5. 8 is 5 more than 3. 7 is dash more than 6. 7 is dash more than 6. We have to move from 7 till 6. 1. We moved just 1 steps back, then we got our answer number 6. So we have to stop here and write your answer here, number 1. 7 is dash 1. 7 is 1 more than 6. And the last one is 10 is dash more than 1. Here is number 10. The last one number 10, and we have to go till 1. So start counting the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We moved 9 steps back and we got our answer, that is number 1. So you will write here number 9 in a blank. 10 is 9 more than 1. I don't think so it will be difficult for you. You can do practice on a rough page as well. Our unit number 5 is done. We have completed today. We will start unit number 6 in the next lecture, inshallah. I hope you enjoyed this unit. Stay home, stay safe. As I always say, just because we care about you, take care of yourself. Keep smiling. See you in the next week, inshallah. Have a nice weekend. Allah Hafiz.